Why is sneezing in class the most high-stakes situation of my life? Like, bro, my body's about to explode, but I'm trying to be polite, respectful, and invisible at the same time. Whispered. Nothing. No sound. Just pain. My eyes are watering. My soul's buffering. The teacher's talking about mitochondria, and I'm over here fighting for my life in 4K. Then I think, maybe I can hold it in. Bad idea. I look like I'm summoning demons through my nose. And then out of nowhere, bam! I sneeze like a shotgun blast in a library. The whole class jumps. Teacher pauses mid-sentence. Someone in the back goes, "Bless you," like they're mocking me. Now I'm just sitting there red-eyed, traumatized, and forever known as the sneeze kid.